Good morning everybody, my name is Alejandro and today we are going to talk about Ambari Infra Solr and HDP Search. The agenda: first Apache Solr, second Ambari Infra Solr, and third HDP Search. Apache Solr is the popular, blazing fast open source enterprise search platform built on Apache Lucene. Solr is a standalone enterprise search server with a REST-like API. You put documents in it called indexing via JSON, XML, or binary over HTTP. You query it via HTTP GET and receive JSON, XML, CSV, or binary result. You can read more information about Solr on its web page. Ambari Infra provides common shared services for Stack components. It comes included in Ambari repo and is installed with the Ambari user interface. Currently, the Ambari Infra service has only one component, the Infra Solr instance. The Infra Solr instance is a fully managed Apache Solr installation. In HDP 2.5 and later, Atlas, Ranger, and Logsearch depend on the Ambari Infra service. Note: Infra Solr instance is intended for use only by HDP components. Use by third-party components or application is not supported. Ambari Infra Solr location on Ambari user interface. On the left we can see on Ambari 2.6 and on the right we can see on Ambari 2.7. Ambari 2.7 comes with Ambari Infra Solr based on Solr 7.4. Ambari 2.6 comes with Ambari Infra Solr based on Solr 5. The collections are stored on local file system, and here we can see the default log folder and port used. HDPSearch is a full-text search server designed for enterprise-level performance, flexibility, scalability, and fault tolerance. HDPSearch exposes REST-like HTTP, XML, and JSON APIs for use with a wide range of programming languages. HDPSearch 4 comes with Apache Solr 7.4, Banana, jars for integration with Hadoop, Hive, and Peak, and software development kit for Spark. Note: HDPSearch is a separate product not packaged with the HDP platform. HDPSearch can be installed manually using HDPSearch repo or using Ambari user interface. HDPSearch Solr location on Ambari user interface. On the left we see Ambari 2.6 and on the right Ambari 2.7. Ambari 2.7 and HDP3 uses HDPSearch 4 based on Solr 7.4. Ambari and HDP 2.6 uses HDPSearch 3 based on Solr 6.6. The collections can be stored on HDFS or local file system, and here we can see the default location for the log folder and the default port used. HDPSearch 2.2.10 and lower are deprecated. Please upgrade to HDPSearch 3 or 4. Thank you for watching this video.